Welcome. Today, we're going to explore two powerful tools that can transform how your company operates: Intranet and Extranet. These systems aren't just for tech experts. They help your business run better. You can save time and money. Plus, they keep you ahead in today's competitive world. Let's dive in. An intranet is a private network used only by your company's employees. Think of it as your company's internal website or hub. It's where your team can share documents, collaborate on projects, and access important information, all in one secure place. For example, your HR team can post company policies, or your sales team can share updates on client deals. It's like a digital workspace tailored just for your team. Now, an extranet takes this a step further. It's a secure network that enables your company to share information with external partners, such as clients, vendors, or suppliers. You can grant a client access to specific files or updates related to a project. This way, you don't have to share everything. It's a VIP area in your company's network. It's made for working with trusted outsiders. Let's break down the differences. Intranet. Internal use only for employees. It's your company's private hub. Extranet. External use for clients, vendors, or partners. It's a secure way to collaborate outside your company. Both systems are customizable and can be tailored to fit your company's unique needs. Here's how an extranet can help your business. Save time. Share updates and files instantly with clients or partners. No more endless emails. Save money. Reduce printing, shipping, and communication costs. Improve collaboration. Work seamlessly with external teams on projects. Enhance security. Control who sees what, ensuring sensitive information stays protected. For example, a construction company can share blueprints with contractors. A marketing agency can update clients on campaign progress. Both do this in real time. An intranet is just as powerful. 1. Centralized information. No more searching through emails. Everything is in one place. 2. Improved communication. Share updates, announcements, and feedback instantly. 3. Boost productivity. Employees can access tools and resources quickly. Modern management. Streamline workflows and keep your team aligned. For example, your HR team can onboard new employees faster, or your sales team can access the latest product info without delays. Here's the best part. We can customize both intranet and extranet to fit your company's needs. You can integrate it with your current systems, like your CRM or accounting software. You can also design specific modules for your workflow. We've got you covered. You can set up a client portal on your extranet. You can also make a project management tool on your intranet. The possibilities are endless. Security is a top priority. With both intranet and extranet, you can control user rights. For example, you can decide who can view, edit, or delete files. This ensures that sensitive information is only accessible to the right people. Your clients, partners, and employees will only see what they need to see. Let's look at some real-life examples. 1. Healthcare. A hospital uses an extranet to share patient records with specialists securely. 2. Retail. A supplier uses an extranet to share inventory updates with stores. Manufacturing. A factory uses an intranet to track production schedules and employee shifts. These systems are versatile and can be adapted to any industry. By implementing intranet and extranet solutions, your company can save time, automate workflows, and reduce manual tasks. Save money, cut down on printing, shipping, and communication costs. Stay competitive, modernize your operations, and improve client satisfaction. It's not just an investment in technology, it's an investment in your company's future. We at GoGlobe create custom intranet and extranet solutions just for your business. Whether you need a simple client portal or a fully integrated system, we'll work with you every step of the way. Our goal is to help you save time, save money, and enter the modern era of management. Ready to take your company to the next level? Reach out today to find out how we can create a custom intranet or extranet for your business. Let's work together to create a smarter, more efficient future for your company.